son favorables. Pide algo de buena fortuna.
What they really want is permission. Permission to stay sick. Or permission to change. Tonight, I'm filing my resignation in the key of snow.
White coat like a priest wears linen. Manhattan neon third floor listening. I learned your storms by the tremor in your vows. Reach your childhood in the way you cross your brows. I held the overflow, I held the grief. I held the I'm fine, that was really disbelief. Paid to be a lighthouse, unpaid to be a sponge. Absorbing your oceans till my lungs forgot to lunge. Microfringes half truth, self-coercion in the air. I'd clock the contradiction and pretend I didn't care. Because empathy's a drug when you're built to understand. And predators love saints with a steady open hand. But there's a switch behind the kindness, quiet, calibrated, cold. Not anger, not vengeance, just the moment the pattern becomes old. I'm retiring from the city of a million masks. From the endless one more chance I never should have asked. When the switch flips, it's surgical. No screaming, no display. Just access revoked and the lights cut clean away. I'm done being your confessional, your therapist, your shield. I'm taking my intuition back to something real. Montana, pour the silence in my cup like holy coffee. I'm moving where the horses go before they just be. They call me gentle like that means I won't defend. Like forgiveness is a law that never has an end. I've seen the emotion, open pockets at the door, turning trauma into currency, then asking for some